Okay, guys. So I got some more stuff. See what we got here. First
Where
up,
is it from?
First, I'm from Temu. First up, I got this cute little Japanese kitty necklace. I got a couple. I got 3 Japanese key things, and then I'll have some cards to show you at the end. Okay, how am I gonna open this? Aha! One of those. Good. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's just open this up. I'm sorry.
It's already opened. It should be on the side a little bit.
There we go. Gold key necklace.
Bracelet.
So what do you guys think? Nice.
Yeah, put it down like that. Let's see what it says. Let's turn it around.
Things say
Oh,
it's
that's
Japanese.
cute. But it has a little mark right here. What does that say?
This is just Japanese words right
Just a
here.
Japanese word.
Right here. See, it's just little signs.
I like it.
Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. Next up, well, yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna love this one. What?
Yeah. Here, let me see.
Okay, guys, we got our next item. Hold on. Okay. Come on. Where'd it go? What? It vanished out of the bag.
Is it? Look on the other side.
Yeah. If I vanish, guys. What? Oh. Okay, that was weird. Alright, weird. Okay, so this is a necklace.
Here, do you want me to put it on you?
Is it?
So you can show everybody. Hold on.
Is it one of these? Or do I
I'll put it on and say be right back.
I'll be right back. Alright, guys. This is my necklace, and this is my bracelet. So we got that and that. Got a little Japanese kitty and Japanese necklace. What is next up? Ooh. One here on the side. Okay, guys. We got this open. Okay. So we got a little keychain. This is for hanging.
You could put it on your backpack, huh?
I'm gonna put this on my backpack. So,
Let me see.
yeah. Here. So that's a little hanger. I'm gonna hang that on my backpack. Oh, we don't have anything
I
else
like
in the bag, but the last thing is some cards. Yeah. So we got a Toxel.
Hold on, they didn't see it.
We got Toxel.
And what kind is he?
He's a electric type. And we got double super energy, which I think should be like any energy. We got Charmeleon. We got Stunk. we got slime. We got a slime. Everything's slime though. Oh, we got mud.
Nice.
We got a deer. I don't know some of these cars.
Stantler.
We
Or
got
Stantler or something like that.
Stantler, I think. We got primate.
He looks mean. What kind of type is he?
He is a fighting type. Oh, we got a steel energy.
Okay.
Oh, we got Yago.
Yanma, maybe?
Yanma. Toss in the comments who that is, guys. We got little dude. See what?
Blip bugger, I think.
I think it's flip bug.
Mhm.
Let's toss who that is in, Tom, in the comments. Two grass types. We got copycat.
And what kind of type is he? Oh, he's a trainer, huh?
That is a trainer. It isn't anything I could like fight. Usually people would like read it, but I wish I could read, but I can't.
You're getting close. What kind of type is he?
He's a sidekick. Toss in the comments who that is.
Sigalith?
Yeah, it's kind of hard for us to kind of read some of these. Grogger boar. Hard.
Girder?
Girder. Doesn't come to what it says. We
What
think
kind?
it's girder.
What kind of type is he?
He's another fighting.
Fighting type?
And we got a sidekick. The one you've all been waiting for. The most shiniest card of them all. Ta-da!
Dottler?
Dottler.
What kind of type is he?
Sidekick. Can you tell by all the eyeballs?
Oh, no, I couldn't tell.
And that's what we got to wrap up for today.
Do you want to introduce him to the animals?
No.
No? Okay. All right, tell them see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Wah!